Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. So today I'll be showing you how to add baby hair to your frontal. If this looks like what will interest you, please watch the video to the end. So I'm just going to prep the hair I'm going to use. So here I'm using a human hair. The reason is because the woman hair, when you lay your edges, it will stay and also it will last. And it's advisable to use a human hair or a hair blend. So I made the closure with 100% caniculum hair as expression braiding hair. So, but for the baby hair, I'm using a human hair because if I should use the caniculum hair after laying the edges, it may not stay. It won't last. Maybe when you step out, the edges will just stand. So it's advisable you use a human hair. If you don't have a human hair, use a hair blend. Okay? So what I did here is, before ventilating, make sure you fold the hair into two equal parts. Okay? Ensure that the hair is folded into two equal parts. Then you ventilate on one hole, you skip the next hole. You ventilate just like that. Then ensure that you don't pick more than 1 to 2 strands of hair. Okay? So if you have any question, I'll be waiting for you at the comment section. Then please don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. You guys are the best. Then if you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe. Okay? Thank you very much. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.